G'day! Now we're going to do the capacitive touch sensing and the showLeds function. Okay, special thanks again to BitLink for their wonderful documentation and information on this. We're going to use the on logo pressed, and once we've gone through that, we're going to do the showLeds where we can make our own pictures and control the LEDs that are on the front. Okay, let's get into it. So first I'm going to go through and do the action steps and show you it working. Then I'll go through and explain each of the items. Okay, so now we have the logo press and the clear screen. So let's remove these and we'll start fresh. Okay, so on the Microbit itself, we have a little logo up the top there. That's a capacitive touch logo. So you don't feel any button, there's no pressing or anything, just simply touching that area will activate the function. This works on the Microbit version 2. These are the ones with the extra functionality, which everyone should have if you purchase it fairly recently. So we're going to go in the input area. We're going to scroll all the way down to the version 2 area and on logo pressed. Now we're going to go into the blue area and show LEDs. So here we can make any kind of LED pattern we would like to display. Put an X in there. Now in order to clear it so that we're finished with that functionality, I'm going to just use the on button A. I could choose anything I like. I could put a timer in here so it's only displayed for a few moments and then disappeared. So we're just going to keep it simple for now. Okay, so on the logo pressed in the simulation, it will display the X, and then on the A, it should not. It takes a few seconds for the simulator to load up. Looks like it's good. So we can touch the logo up the top. We got our X, our A to clear it. Let's download this to the Microbit and see if it works. We have our Microbit, and we're going to touch the screen, and we have our X. Excellent. I'm going to clear it, X, and clear. Perfect. So now we've got our on-logo capacitive touch sensing working on the Microbit. Enjoy. Please go through the BitLink explanations that shows this in more detail and some other challenges you can perform.